Hi guys. Let's start with Teezily. Founded in 2014, Teezily is a platform that offers individuals and associations to design and sell personalized t-shirts to earn money. She is inspired by her main competitor, Teespring and Spreadshirt or Cafe Press. The site is multilingual, English, German, Spanish, Italian. Teezily advises to present the right product to the right person at a lower cost. Now, let's move on to what interests you the most: how to use the platform to make more money. 1. Creation. Ad. Choose a product: t-shirt, unisex round collar, V-neck, unisex sweater or women's fitted sweater and the color you think is the most requested. B. Download your design. By clicking on Upload an image, you can move or modify it as you like. It is advisable to upload HD or vector images. An alerter will tell you good quality or poor quality. Versus add text, and move it to the desired location. You can change its size or choose its color or customize it to the maximum so that your product is unique. D. The price. E. Save. Save your draft to resume later. 2. Description. Title can contain up to 40 characters. It must be strong and impacting to achieve the greatest possible purchases. Description in 300 characters maximum. Explain the purpose of your campaign. Duration of the campaign varies between 24 hours and 20 days. Choice of the URL. By default, the URL of your campaign will be teezily.com web link. You can also change your URL after Teezily makes sure it's not already in use by another person. Now that you have an idea about Teezily, create your first campaign and share it to get the most sales. Good luck! That's all for today. See you in another video.